I took this particular trade because I spotted this green be red doji, and immediately after this red doji I entered this particular candlestick. And part of what gave me assurance, or part of what gave me entry, is this two indicator. This is moving average, this is martingale and stochastic oscillation. And so when I saw that this MACD also, you see, is coming on, like it's on downtrend, but it's moving, the green momentum is gaining power. And also here you see the green is about to cross, and under this moving average, when a candle is reacting like that means the red candle is about to take over. So immediately I saw this red small candle, it shows the red are ready to enter the market. That is why I took the chart. I took this particular trade because of this red doji I spotted. When I spotted this red doji, I placed my first stake on this green, which I hope is going to form red candle, but it forms green candle. And with my strategy, if I should spot a red doji like this and the second candle did not give me red, the next candle has a high probability is going to give me red. And if this candle self that gave me red did not give me red, I'm still going to enter the next candle, and I'm going to be using martingale. I'm going to stake with $5. So with the $5 I'm going to recover all the 1 2 that I already stake with the $5 and with profit. So that is why I stake high, place this straight, and you see the candle is about to end, and I won this particular trade. I took this particular trade because I spotted double inverted hammer, and the MACD also is about to cross the stochastic oscillation. The dot indicator is moving to this 70% height, and also the candle formed above the moving average. And immediately I spotted this candle. I used to call it identical candle. So once I spot it, that is the reason why I took this trade. And also the candle gave me a stair-like structure, so you can see pam 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 pam. So that is the reason why I took this trade. I took this particular trade because I spotted this double continuous bearish spinning top. Once I spotted this, and I know that the uptrend has been in the market for 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 for over 7 minutes. The uptrend has been winning, so I know that surely the downtrend are even going to come inside the market. So immediately I spotted this double candle. That is the reason why I placed this trade. And also checking the MACD, also the green is about to cross the red line, and you see this dot indicator, also the line is about to cross down this 70. So that is the reason why I took this trade. I took this trade, I took it and I lose it because when I spotted this green doji, I was carried away, and I should have observed well before taking the trade, because this candle, this week did not pass this 1 week. Assuming this candle passes under this one, there is a high chance that this one is going to form red, but because the week did not pass it and I did not pay good attention. Also you can see that they almost have equal bottom. So mostly that is the reason why I lose this particular trade, and that is the reason why I carried it, and my analysis and everything was wrong. I took this trade because my strategy, like as I said earlier, after one doji is going to give me like max of 2 green before I'm going to see a red candle to win the trade. Remember, I was not paying a close details to this particular candle. That is the reason why I made another mistake here, like predicting the candle is going to come down. And you can see the candle is even strong, it keeps going up, and I already triggered martingale already. So that is the reason why my capital is like this, and I end up blowing all the capital, like all my profits in this particular trade. I think I staked 2, or yeah, I think I staked 2 on this particular trade, and I lose. And here is the next trade that I place. Also, you can see that here this third indicator is already crossing and margin is about to cross, so it's a very dump move for staking that is going to go up. With this particular trade, I stake that the candle should go down. You can see the red candle actually won, but I end up losing the trade because when the red candle won, the candle was a little bit, just like one you see this one peep, let us say one peep above this candle. That is the reason why I lose. And I actually took the trade because I saw my red doji here, and when I place $5, you can see I actually lose all the profit I made today and yesterday on this trade. So I'm back to my initial capital, which is $10. This is what the candle gave me. You see the candle just closes a little bit above my entry. Even so, that is the reason why I lose the trade, and it was very painful. And with that, I lose the capital, I lose all my profit. Oh no, it was very painful. I only did this so you can see what the candle actually formed. You see immediately after this red doji gave us this, and after this particular trade, let me show you what I did. I end up starting again from $10, and these are the trade history I took for the day. You see I won one, I think this is where I lose the 125. So when I lose the 125, I start with another 1 2, I lose it, and I like 5 I won it. So you see the 1 1 I won it, the next one I lose it, and you can see the 2 I recovered, the next one I lose it, the next 2 I lose it, the 5 I won it, and the last one I won it. So that is how I make back the profit I lose. And to